Hi Ava, this is Jan. I'm going to go through logging in and researching the contacts through the CRM system. So that's going to save a lot of hassle with all that flapping around we did with Excel spreadsheets and all that. So first of all, you're going to go to vanillasoft.net, and this is a company. They're called VanillaSoft. That's the CRM we use. Your username is going to be crm@wordpackmedia.com, and your password is going to be the same, crm@wordpackmedia.com. You're going to log in, and when you log in, you're going to go straight to a section called My Contacts. These functions, you basically don't need any of these, really. So My Contacts is where you're going to be working from. So My CRM, My Contacts, and when you click that, you're going to have a list of contacts. And the way we're going to work is the contact is either going to get transferred to me or is going to get deleted. So there's one of two options only. So let's click on this contact. This is where you click. So you can actually click anywhere. It doesn't really make any difference, but I guess you might as well start at the top. So we got Eugene Canadarian. This is the company name. And basically what we want to do is to find out if they've got a website, yes or no, and if they do have a website. So you're going to do the research, obviously. I think you've done this before, so I don't really need to go through this, but this is what you're going to do. They're in Fowler, California. So, you're going to open a new tab. I don't want to. Let's open a new tab. You're going to do this. MapQuest. Usually if there's just MapQuest and Yahoo and all this kind of stuff, that means they haven't actually got a website. I don't see a Google My Business for them here. So I would say these are no website. I guess if you want to double check, you can put Fowler, California as well. And see, MapQuest, truck comparison. So yeah, all these comparison sites, so they have got no website. So that's all you need to do. No website. And obviously, if they haven't got a website, you don't need the website address, and you're not going to figure out if they've got a SSL certification here, or if they're in the Google Free Pack, Google My Business Free Pack. So no. So once you do that, simple, you're just going to click this button. Ava transfers this record to Jan. That's basically all it is. Hold on, let me make this screen bigger again. So you're going to click this, and that's it. We're done. And you're on to the next contact. Right? Again, this is research. What have they got here? A&J Solar. Solar Estimate. A&J Solar. Is this the same one? They're in Bull Road. They're in Clovis, so I guess I would just put A&J Solar Clovis, California. Do a search. California Solar Savings. That's not them. It doesn't look like they've got a. Okay, A&J Solar. Here we go. Usually there would be a website here, but you know that. They got no website. So again, I'm going to go back to that. Have they got a website? No. I'm going to send it to Jan. I think a whole bunch of these don't have a website, so let's just try and see if we can find something with a website. Obviously, if you do find a website, you're going to say yes. You're going to put the website, copy and paste it, copy and paste the URL, put it there, like that. And then, have they got an SSL certificate? You know how to do that. If there's a lock here or it says HTTPS, that means yes. If no, they got no. Are they in the free pack? We're going to Google this as usual. Actually, I'm using Bing now, but you should be using Google. Are they in the free pack? Well, we don't have a free pack on Bing, but you know what free pack is. So if they are in the free pack, you're going to put yes or no. right? And you're going to send it to me. So those are the kind of contacts you're going to send me if they've got a bad website, right? If the website's going to be not very good, or if they haven't got any of these basic things, you're going to send it to me. If they've got a website and it's a decent looking website, all you're going to do is click done. That's going to make the record finished, and that's it. It's pretty straightforward. You're just doing some research. Kind of, you've done this before, but we're going to use this system, so it's going to be easier for me to get hold of the leads. And that's it. Good luck, and if you need any other questions, just Skype me. Thank you, Ava.